Welcome to the 10th episode of Business with Tanmay, and here we begin with our topic top tips for crafting mission and vision statements with meaning. So let's get started. What is the difference between a vision and a mission statement? A vision explains the future of a brand, where you want to go, and mission is how you will get there. So to add something else into the mix, there is your why or purpose statement. It's an explanation of why you started the company, what gets you up in the morning. An articulate vision and mission inspires your team, customers, partners, and suppliers. Inspiration causes people to think bigger, bolder, care more, and reach further. Rather than selling something for the sake of it, you are helping humanity shine by enabling all teams to work together effortlessly. So inspiring people to do the things so that together we can change the world, and this is how people work together to achieve and reach somewhere. Every employee wants to work for an organization doing good, so make it obvious that yours is one of them. So most businesses will be offered plenty of opportunities, and especially in their early days, it's easy to wander off a planned track in chasing all of them down. So having a purpose, vision, or mission narrows down why you are doing this, so you don't waste time and money on things that ultimately don't get you where you want to go. So when you have a vision and mission, you don't try and run after every opportunity. Now remember, you don't have to start with all of the three. A business that knows why it exists is so much more powerful than one that just seems to be in it for the money. It's something you drape throughout communications, both external and internal. Now something your team and partners understand to be truly fundamental to the brand, and done well is something that your customer can talk about when asked. Whenever we have an initial meeting with a potential partner, be it investor, retailer, distributor, or whomever, we start with our purpose and vision. It's so much more inspiring than just selling a product, and immediately people understand why they want to talk to us. Writing a good statement is tricky, though, and often your first few iterations won't be the final one you land on. I changed my vision and mission 5 to 6 times to get the final one. So to help, here are some tips on how to write vision and mission varieties that mean something to you and will inspire others to follow your brand. Number 1, think about your why. Why are you here? What do you want to see in the world? What problems are you solving? Number 2, brainstorm with the team. Now good statements rarely come from one person. Work with your team to throw around ideas, see what resonates with the group, what doesn't, and start noting down some key terms and thoughts. It might take some time to come together, but that's fine. Don't have a team? Try friends, try family. Everyone will have a different perspective, which really can help. Number 3, write down every thought, however odd it is. Think big, think wide, think obscure. Inside out and outside in, from your perspective and from your customers. Write it all down, then return to it in a couple of days and start deleting what doesn't fit or resonate. In the end, your purpose, vision, and mission are all right there and have been all along. Each makes up the foundation of why you do what you do, so you will get there. Thank you.